made everything, the shape of the clouds, the stars in the sky above, and held in these two hands is a flag I can't raise in this world of ours. Settles in everything, leaves a veil down. There's not much that we can do but chase a dream. No promise in this broken land, a fool or a saint. We can do what we want to, if only we see it. We can color the sky and just how